Now we've all got these 5-gallon buckets that the nice plastic handle that comes with the buckets is broken off, and now you're left with this wire handle. When you try carrying 5 gallons of water from the spigot to the field to give your animals a drink, that wire starts cutting in your hand, then it hurts a little bit. So I'm going to show you how to make a handle padding using some baling twine, which if you're like me, you've got this all over the place. So the first thing you're going to do is tie a knot, square knot, at the beginning of the handle. Then we're going to have a loop, and we're going to bring your twine up through the handle and tighten it up. You can make a loop, go around your handle, up through the loop, and bring the tail up. Or you can go under your handle and go down through your loop. Doesn't really matter. But you're going to make these stitches all the way across your handle. Well, all the way where your hand's going to be holding. I'm not sure that you want to go through all the trouble of wrapping it down around the edges here. Just make sure your stitches are tight and snug against each other. Now on your last stitch, you want to make your loop, bring a loop through, and then your tail goes through that last loop, and that knots off your handle. Then all you have to do is cut off the edges. There you got padded handle.